come hike with me on the Beacon Rock Trail. This trail is located at the Columbia River Gorge on the Washington side of the river. This is a state park, so there is a $10 day use fee, or if you have an annual Discover Pass, that will work at this park as well. There is a picnic area here along with some flush toilets. This trail is a 2-mile out and back, about 600 feet of elevation gain. So come along with me as I explore this trail. And if you find value in this, please like this video and subscribe for more travel and hiking content. And let's go hike this trail.